Gentlemen, I am Adit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about the unboxing of the Redmi Mi Note 4. So I have buy this mobile from the retailer store. So let's check. This is a Redmi Note 4 as you can see in the box. Aside of the box, here's a Redmi Note 4. This is a Redmi Note 4 and back to the box you can see the configuration of this mobile. A Snapdragon 625 chipset here, 4100 milliampere batteries that gives you a 1 day whole battery backup, 3 megapixel back camera, autofocus and fingerprint for unlocking. And it is the feature of this mobile: LTE supported GSM Qualcomm 625, a Snapdragon octa-core processor, 3.9 cm means 5.5 full HD display. Here they are giving you 13 megapixel rear camera with the autofocus, 5 megapixel front camera for the beauty selfie, fingerprint sensor support, metal body, and 4100 milliampere battery as I told you, and MIUI custom Android OS. This is a black color variant which is in my hand, 4GB 64GB gigabyte variant. So let's check inside the box what they gave you. There you can, I hope you can see this is a 4 they have written here top of the box. Now let's check. This is a mobile. Here's top of the mobile. There's a IR sensor, IR booster, and noise cancellation. This is a jack, 3.5mm jack. Inside of the mobile, this is a volume rocker, and this is a switch key. And bottom of the mobile, you can see this is not both a speaker. One is microphone and one is for the speaker, which is not a very loud. And this is a charging port here, and this is a hybrid SIM sensor, hybrid SIM card slot. It means you can use a 2 nano SIM or one SIM or with one memory card, which you can extend up to a 128 GB. And now back to the mobile, you can see here this is a LED flash with sensor, finger sensor, and this is a camera, 30 megapixel. So I'm not opening this, I'm not removing this guard because this is for the safety purpose. You can see here this is a camera, this is a sensor, and this is a speaker. So now we are trying to getting a boot up for this mobile. Here you can see a MI logo, mi.com. So if I talk about this screen, this is a 5.5 full HD display. And if I talk about the build quality of this mobile, this is a better from before Note 4. So you can buy it. This is the best budget phone I can tell you. So first we fix it. Okay. Choose your reason. India. I'm setting this mobile. So you can they are giving a option for the choose keyboard, which kind of keyboard you want to use. So Swift key keyboard, Google keyboard, or Google Indie keyboard. So which you want to use? So I am taking a Google keyboard, this, and here you can connect with the network. So I have no any network, so I am skipping that. So do you have a they are asking mobile got a Google, do you have any Google account? So I am saying no. add a fingerprint sensor. After then, this is a pattern I am using here. This confirm. You can add also fingerprint. This is a safety purpose, so you can use which finger you want to use, for middle finger or index finger, that is depend on you. So here you can see this is how it work here. They are trying to adjust my finger. Not now. Which type of theme you want to choose for access. So default, setup complete, you are ready to rock. Again, I want to say the build quality has certainly improved on this. As you can see this, because the metal unibody, that gives a very different look of this mobile. But I like the mobile build quality because they have a give you such a best budget in for a smartphone, and not a very expensive, everyone can afford it, and much many more thing. I have just want to give a thumbs up for this mobile.